Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious barbecue fried chicken. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. So I have some brown sugar. This is going to be for the barbecue sauce. I have a little bit of vinegar, ketchup. I have my complete seasoning, a little bit of salt and pepper. This is going to be for my flour breading. I have my all-purpose seasoning right here. Season up, chicken seasoning, paprika, some Creole seasoning, a little bit of Sazon seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder. And over here for the fresh ingredients, I have my green onion, yellow onion, a little bit of ginger, some garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and of course I have the main star of the show, the chicken. The chicken is somewhere, hiding right now, but hey, it's here. So let's jump right into the video, guys, and get started. All right, guys, so we're going to start cutting our fresh ingredients. So this is one stalk of green onion. Just chop it up nice and proper. Just like that. Set it aside. Chop our onion. And we're going to combine all these ingredients together. So don't worry about, everything mixing together. We'll mix up everything together same way. I have some garlic right here. Fresh clove of garlic. 2 cloves. Chop it up same way. Alright guys, so this is my fresh thyme. Just like that. Scotch bonnet pepper. This is gonna add a nice flavor, a nice aroma to the barbecue fried chicken. Add a nice little spicy kick to it. Alright, so like I said, we're gonna combine all these beautiful ingredients together. We're gonna add everything right here on top of the chicken. Along with the dry ingredients, or seasoning, like the onion powder and all that good stuff. All right, so now we're going to set this aside, and then we're going to cut up our chicken. All right, so I have my chicken right here, guys, somewhere. Oh, here it is. Where have you been? Huh? You've been hiding from me, huh? All right. Yes, guys, so we're going to cut it up, and then we're going to rinse it off with some vinegar and water. Make sure it's nicely clean, nice and proper. Make sure you have a sharp knife. Pop that bad boy right open like that. Yeah, man. Bust it open. Just like that. Yeah, man, just separate everything, This is like a large chicken, so I'm gonna cut the breast maybe in 2 or 3 pieces. Yeah, so I'm thinking 3. So 3 pieces. And then after we finish cut it up, we're gonna clean out the inside. And like I said, we're gonna rinse it off with some vinegar and water. Yeah, man. This is going to be a nice, simple recipe, guys. Easy to follow. Straight to the point, Once you know to fry some chicken, you can't go wrong because all you're doing is adding the fried chicken in some barbecue sauce. But guess what? Today, we're not just going to use any store-bought barbecue sauce. We're going to make everything from scratch, guys. So, like I said, we're going to add some vinegar, sugar, what else? Some paprika, a little bit of ketchup. I might even add something else to it. So just stick around and continue to watch the video. This recipe right here is going to be packed with a bunch of flavors. Guess what, man? I'm going to drop the chicken out again. Oh, God. Whoa. Yeah, man. But Guys, like I said, I'm just gonna rinse this off real quick, and then we're gonna get back to the video. We're gonna start adding the seasoning after that. So stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. All right, guys. I'm just gonna add some vinegar. Give it a nice little wash. All right. So now we're just gonna drain off this water and then add our seasoning, and we should be good to go. So right about now, we're gonna combine all our dry seasoning. So we have some complete seasoning right here. We're just gonna do a teaspoon of complete seasoning. And after we finish, with all the seasoning them, we go combine everything, mix it up, and then season the chicken. So we have some paprika. It's going to be 1 teaspoon as well. All these seasoning right here is going to be a teaspoon. Some Creole seasoning. Sazon seasoning. A little bit of garlic powder. Or onion powder. Yeah, and now I'm going to add some season of all-purpose and chicken seasoning. So this one is going to be a tablespoon. So this is the Maggi season up, all right? Add a tablespoon. Close it back up. And then we're going to add some, like I said, the all-purpose Maggi. Yeah. All right, so I'm just going to put the lids back on real quick. And then we're going to mix up our seasoning them. Clean up as I go, Yeah, man. Don't want to leave no mess afterwards. Because after I eat that chicken there, it's a wrap, I'm not going to be in the mood to clean up or anything like that. So I'd rather do it now, get it out the way. So now, like I said, combine all these dry ingredients, mix it up nice and proper. And once everything is fully combined, fully mixed up and all that, then we go season the chicken. So we're not wasting no time. Chicken. Come in. Come in so them can see the chicken. Chicken clean up. Clean up already. You understand? So now we just drop in the little season mix. Yeah. And this is the fresh ingredients that we chopped up earlier. Drop it in same way. And now, just mix it up. Massaging the seasoning, And guys, for the best results, you just want to marinate this overnight. 24 hours for the best results. Yeah, man. All right, guys. So for the best results, you just want to marinate your chicken overnight. That's going to give you the best result. The seasoning is going to soak in nice and proper, well marinated and ready to go. All right. Yeah, man. So now we're just going to add some flour to this mixture right here, and then get the pot ready with the oil. Make sure the oil is nice and hot, and then we're going to fry them nice and crispy. You understand? So after we finish fry it up, then we're going to start working on the barbecue sauce. Yeah, man. So stay tuned. All right. So I'm going to add my flour, all-purpose flour. Yeah, man. All right. So we're going to add our salt and pepper. This is 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper. And then we're going to add the chicken right after that. You understand? Yeah. Just going to add my chicken, to the flour. Make sure it's fully covered. Just like that. Yeah, man. And we're just going to repeat the same, same steps. I'm going to start off by frying my dark meat first, like the leg and thigh, because, those parts take a little bit longer to cook. So I'm going to start off with that, and then I'll finish it off with the breast and the wing, Yeah, man. All right, so the oil is almost ready. Not ready yet, but almost there. So we will give it a few more minutes just to make sure it's at that right proper temperature, at least 350 degrees Fahrenheit or a little bit higher, and then we should be good to go. All right, guys. So right now we're gonna fry the chicken. So as you can see right here, the stove is on a high heat right now. But once the oil gets to that nice hot temperature, I'm gonna bring it down to medium, medium low heat, and cook it. You see it, fry it nice and slow. Yeah, man. So shake it off. Ooh, you hear that? Sizzle. Yeah, man. Whoa. Drop in the thigh right there, so. Yeah. We have some wings right here. Ooh. I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be crazy. Crazy good. Yeah, man. So just fry it nice and crispy for about 10 to 12 minutes. And once it's crispy and everything is fully cooked, then we remove it from the oil and let it rest for a minute. Yeah, man. But right now, I'm gonna get the oven ready and make sure it's nice and hot, nice and proper, and ready to go when the chicken them come out. Yeah, man. So just continue to watch the video, guys. Yes, guys. So just go ahead and flip it over after about 5 to 6 minutes. Yeah, man. It's already looking good. Chicken them looking crispy already, nice and crispy. But we have a while to go. A good 8 minutes left. Yeah, man. So once both sides get a nice crispiness to it, then we're gonna close it down. Close it down with the lid. I'll let it steam a little bit. Yeah, man. All right, guys. So the first batch is ready, good to go. Nice and crispy. So we're just gonna remove it from the oil, drain it off, and just place it on a paper towel. The paper towel is gonna soak up that extra grease, extra oil. Yeah, man. Shake it off just like that. Yeah, man. We're gonna fry the legs a little bit longer because you want to make sure it's fully cooked, fully fried. You don't want to eat raw chicken because that's like hospital. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. You don't want to go to the hospital tonight. So we're gonna fry that a little bit longer. And once we finish frying up this extra batch right here, then we're gonna make the barbecue sauce. And matter of fact, while this is frying, I'm gonna start working on the barbecue sauce, guys, and then we should be good to go. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna drop in them batch right now. Yeah, shake it off, drop it in. Yeah, man. Just like that. Now waste no time, guys. Yeah. Watch out. Yeah, so pretty them look. And crispy too. Nice one. Yeah, but I'm gonna wait first to add on the barbecue sauce. I'm not trying none right now. You see me answer? Yeah. So just continue to watch the video, guys, and you already know the thing. Don't go nowhere. Yeah, man. Shake it off a little. And if this is your first time watching, guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Leave a comment. Leave some feedback. Let me know any type of video you want to see after this. If you want to see some like fried fish, you want to see Asian cuisine, something different, just let me know. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll definitely make it happen. Like I said, leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Because I have a bunch more crazy, amazing recipes coming your way. All right, so I'm gonna turn that back up, turn it all the way back up to the high heat, bring the temperature back up a little bit. Yeah, man. All right, guys, time to make our barbecue sauce. So you want to add a little bit of vinegar because the ketchup already contains, Vinegar, so you don't want to add too much. Just a little bit. Now we're going to add our ketchup. Shake it up a little bit. So we're going to add about a cup of ketchup, cup of brown sugar. Stir it up. Then we're going to add a little onion powder, about a half teaspoon, about a half teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of paprika, smoked paprika. You know, add that smoky flavor to it. Just mix it up a little bit. Now we're going to add a little bit of browning just to add a little darkness to it, a little dark color. You know, not too much. Ooh, just a tad. Just a tad of browning. Oh, yes. And now for that extra spice, we're going to add some hot sauce. We're not going to make it too spicy, just a little kick. Yeah, man. Mix it up. And now we're going to add about a half a cup of water to it. Just a little bit. So half cup of water. And we're going to bring this to a boil and let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Let it simmer on low heat, guys. Low heat. Yeah, man. Wow. Oh, yo. Thing set off. Yeah, man. Real thing right there. So this is much healthier than going to the store and buying a barbecue sauce. Even though barbecue sauce is not healthy. It's not a healthy food. But, you know, doing it the right way, the natural way, from scratch is always best. You know, natural, fresh is always best, guys. Yeah, man. And like I said previously, while me I fry up the chicken, me I work on the barbecue sauce same way. Yeah. Yeah, man. All right, so this recipe should be done in a few minutes. Once this batch right here is fully cooked, you know, and fry and everything, then we're gonna just drop it in the sauce right here and mix it up, make sure it's fully coated, fully covered. Toss it in the oven for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's gonna be finger licking, guys. It's gonna be good. Woo! Yeah, man. Thing sell off. All right, guys. So we're gonna add a little grated ginger to it. Add a nice little flavor to this barbecue sauce. Yeah, man. Not gonna overdo it. We're not gonna add too much to it, you know. Just the right amount. Yeah. Stir it up same way, and let the flavor, you know, distribute all over the sauce, throughout the sauce. Yeah, man. All right, go ahead and turn that off. And like I said, we're gonna add our fried chicken to the sauce. Yeah, this is the fried chicken right here, guys. We still have some more in the pot of fry. Ooh, yes. So come in with the camera now, you know, so the subscribers them can see what I go on. Yeah, man. Yes, guys. Ooh, just rotate the chicken, you know, all over the sauce. You know, make sure it's covered. This is gonna be so good, guys. So good. right. This is it. We're about to toss it in the oven and let it bake for about 10 minutes, guys. Ooh, this is looking so good. Wow. Mm-mm-mm. Look at this masterpiece right here. Yo, the thing, I can't even find the words right now, guys, to explain how beautiful, the chicken is right now. It's delicious. Me already know I think still happy. It's nice. Because I know my first time I met them type of food, yeah, but for the recipe, as far as the recipe for the video, yeah, it's my first time doing it for YouTube. But this is a regular thing. Thing nice. Yeah, man. So now, we just go add the other 4 pieces of chicken. Yeah, man. From the aisle. I'll just make sure, say, the thing proper. Yeah, man. Just make sure it's covered in the sauce. Yeah. Look at that steam. Ooh. Them barbecue chicken here, guys. You not find them nowhere else, besides Keegan's Kitchen. If it's not Keegan's Kitchen, I can't find him something. Yeah, man. Real deal. All right. So I still have 1 piece left in my pot, but as you can see, I kind of run out of room. So I'm not gonna add it to the baking tray. Just drizzle that sauce all over the chicken. Wow. Just like that. Yeah, man. And like I said, we're gonna bake this baby for about 10 minutes. Yeah, man. 10 minutes, guys. Yeah, man. So we have 9 minutes and 55 seconds to go, and we should be good. So continue to watch the video. Don't go nowhere. Thank y'all so much for, your continued support and watching the video all the time. And like I said, subscribe. Just stay tuned. Yes, guys, so time for a taste test. I'm gonna let y'all know how this recipe is, if it's good or bad. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's good, but I'm gonna tell you how it is right now. Mm. Wow. Mm-mm. Wow. Guys, this is good. I'm good. Yeah, the barbecue sauce, with the ginger, the spice. Mm. Everything mixed together, combined together is just perfectly blended, Mm. As you can see, it's fully cooked right through. Chicken falling off the bone and all that good stuff. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes, guys. Peace.